The work actually goes back to a visit that I made to the Philippines in early 2020.
Every surface is a shrine ang pamagat ng Capture Photography Festival Art Exhibition ni Metro Vancouverite Karen Zelamea na inihahandog sa Art Gallery at Evergreen sa Coquitlam, BC. Dito makikita ang 8 art installations, obra na inspirasyon daw ang bahay ng kanyang lolo at lola sa Pilipinas.
Thinking about them all as like receptacles of intergenerational knowledge and memory, and thinking about specifically about every surface, the surfaces of the stairs, the walls, the doors, everything containing some sort of lived memory. And so spending time there allowed me to try to tap into that or think about ways of entering that space.
Dahil nasa Chico Street sa Quezon City ang ancestral home ni Zelamea, 3 sa art installations binuo mula sa mga imahe ng mga Chico trees.
We printed it on canvas and distressed the surface. And then there's another series called Herbarium After Flora de Filipinas, in which I was learning about Chico and other plants in the Philippines, and that's a series of cyanotypes. And then there's a video as well called Correspondence that is comprised of short clips of Chico trees as well as videos that I took in my ancestral house.
Meron rin 2 art installations kung saan ginamit ni Zelamea ang mga kopya ng family photographs sa pagbuo ng lubid. Ang agaw-pansin namang malaking centerpiece sa gitna ng exhibition, binuo niya gamit ang inspirasyon sa kinuhang litrato ng marble na hagdanan ng bahay ng kanyang lolo at lola.
On top of the banner is a lapida, so a marble funerary marker that I got from Marikina, and I had a local mason engrave the text, "Every surface is a shrine," which is the exhibition title.
Libre at bukas sa publiko ang art exhibition araw-araw, Miyerkules hanggang Linggo.
So when people visit the exhibition, I hope they think about their connections to home and homeland, thinking through ideas of belonging and also ways of honoring memory.
Maaring bisitahin ang exhibit ni Karen Zelamea hanggang May 24th. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Coquitlam.